Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the project and installing packages. Once done, add Microsoft, Entity Framework Core, and the provider for your database. You then define plain C# entity classes that map to tables. Make sure to add key properties and navigation properties for relationships. Next, scaffold a DB context or write one by hand, register it in the die container with add DB context, and store the connection string securely in app settings. JSON. This gets the foundation ready for migrations and queries. Once your DB context exists, you configure entity mappings using Fluent API or annotations so EF knows keys, indexes, and relationships. This explains how the database schema is generated. Create a migration with the CLI or Package Manager console, then inspect the generated SQL before applying with Update Database. In code, favor async link methods, use include for related data, and project to DTOs to reduce payloads. Also be mindful of change tracking and use as no tracking for read-only scenarios. To finish, apply migrations on your target environment and seed required data so the app has expected initial state. Verify tables and indexes in the database. Use the DB context via dependency injection inside controllers or services, and write unit tests using the in-memory provider or a test container to simulate the DB. When deploying, ensure connection strings and EF provider versions match. If something breaks, check the connection string, the EF migrations history table, and compare your model classes versus the generated schema to find mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.